Everybody, welcome. My name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you how you can simply change your currency in Webnode. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just go right top corner to settings, and when you're gonna be here, you're gonna see online store, and you want to click general settings, configure, and right when you're here, you're gonna see online store currency, and you just want to select simply click edit, and you're gonna see this euro here, and you just want to choose whatever you want and whatever currency you want, but this is pretty much how we do it. So thank you very much. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye.